And I meet so many cool people. Like, I didn't... So, for those of you who don't know, like, Twitch, there is a category on Twitch specifically for game developers. So, if that's something, if you're wanting to learn how to do game developing stuffs, that you can watch people do that on stream. Let me see if I can... I need to make that a command. What would it be under? Science and technology, I guess? Game dev. Game development. Yeah, so if you go here to that link there, you can see the tag with all the like game developer streams. Wait, let me real quick make that a command thing so that way. Create, copy, I'll put this here. Insert one below this, and then I'll check that out later. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, I do other things outside of Ludendari. I do photography, so I edit photos. We do live photo shoots. What else? I do some pixel art sometimes. I have an embroider machine that people like to sit there and stare at it for some reason while it stitches out patches. I don't know why. We play games occasionally. I do a little bit of everything. We should have simply paused the game while opening the build menu so you got more time to read. It's all good. It's all good, Fire Splash. How I describe coding is how you feel about game artwork. I'm like, art's easy. I mean, but I've been doing it for a long time. But yeah, coding stuff is just, I don't get it. Alright, but yeah, Fire Splash TV, thank you so much for submitting your game. I appreciate it. And then we're on to Flighty Felon. Who Flighty Felon, so both Fire Splash TV and Flighty Felon will be streaming Ludendari play testing. So if you want to give them a follow, so that way you can get a notification when they go live. There's Flighty Felon and Fire Splash TV. Freddy!
100 bonus 40 Freddy's whispers quietly to Elysia. Hello and fades back into the shadows. Space love.
Freddy, thank you so much for those bits and for using the Bleed Purple cheer mode, which gives an additional 10% in bits. Alright. I just know basic HTML. That's it. Like, I don't, like, I sat there and watched InstaFluff code the game, and I'm just like, there's so many squiggly symbols and stuff, like, I just don't get it. And, like, I'd rather spend that time, like, I could learn it, I could sit down and learn it, but I'd rather spend that time doing something else instead. So. Alright, so Flighty Felon said, you and Troy are the same game? Wait, you guys work together? What? Mr. Troy, I didn't know you guys worked together. Okay, so that totally works out then. That's awesome. Wait, so is it because you guys met through Twitch that you ended up working together, or how did that happen? But real quick, about our game, Slime King and the Battle for Slime Mountain. It's a battle royale where you create a slime that's saved to an online database, and then you play against slimes other players have made. Artsoft and Penguin Potential did the characters and environment respectfully. Mr. Troy did the main programming, and I did the UI coding and database for the slimes. We have a musician named Sam. That's awesome. Oh, you met through Penguin Portal. Okay. I don't know if I know them. Also, Cyberdog, how's it going? Hashtag blame Jolt. Oh, really? Okay, so you met through Jolt Chat. Well, that's awesome. Like, hashtag blame Jolt for everything. He's the reason why I got into Ludendari. But yeah, okay. So, the battle for Slime King on Slime Mountain. Battle to death by eating your fellow slimes. Slime is a currency used to upgrade your slime and reach the top as Slime King. Make your slime as strong as possible because it'll go onto the database to fight other players. Note, good to play on higher graphics setting. I mean, we can up it to like over 100. Controls are WASD, spacebar's to jump, control or left click to dash, and left alt or right click to shoot. Beware you lose slime that way. Sweet. So if you'd like to play the game along with me, here is the link to the game. Wait, so you met Penguin Potential through Jolt, and you met Jolt through me? Really? I thought you met him before you met me. That's crazy. I mean, you'll have to ask him, Cyberdog. I was playing his game, huh? Look at that! See? Twitch bringing everyone together. Alright. Let's go in... Is it on the web or I can download it? That one. Somehow, some way. I mean, I met Dan because he submitted his game to me. What is it? It was Ludendari 40, I think. Mr. Troy, thank you for the bits you forgot to use. Bleed purple. Alright. Did it download already? No. And I need to go real quick and give Fire Splash a review, rating. How do I vote for humor? I don't know, but I mean, it was moody. It was very atmospheric. Wonder 2. Back up. What was the question? What were you saying, Das? I missed like I don't know if I missed like the first part or Nicole, hello, how's it going? Okay, did it finish? Let me hit that and Booksneil, thank you so much for the bits.
200 bonus 20 equals 220.
You know, when you open up this, it automatically sets the graphic quality to be very low. But we're setting it to ultra because why not? Wait, what are you wondering? Turn up the sound, please. Okay. Is that better? Look at our little slime carry. We can pick our color. I can only pick red? Can I pick pink? I mean, I guess that's pretty close to pink. A purple? I mean, okay, I guess we can do Twitch purple. But look! Oh no, it was pink. That's pink. Pick a team? Oh. Wait, you tried to ban pink as a color? Why? This isn't like an online thing, right? Oh, look at us! It changes. We should probably have a lot of HP. I want a little flower on my head. Oh, we should, hold on. We should probably up like this too. It can be slow, it's fine. What should we name our slime? I wanted a flower on my head. Pinky. Oh, I still have one. You're right. What? Yeah, what? Where am I? Oh, this is like an interesting, Why am I being chased? Oh, we're small now. Hold on, we end up using the... Look at them. Hold on, I need to read the rules again. Left is to dash, and this is to shoot. Oh, you lose slime that way. So how do you battle the death by eating your fellow slimes? So you have to eat them? Hold on. So how do you eat something? You just like bump into them? I guess? I lost my little flower! What are you doing over here? Are you just admiring the mountains? I mean, it is a lovely view over here. I mean, why can't we just all be friends? Left click mouse button to attack by, okay. The left mouse button. I'm sorry. I gotta do this. I think, maybe? Hold on. Stuck. Oh, are they on our team? Okay, never mind. You're right. That makes sense. The graphics are really cute, though. Does he have a little top hat on? I'm being bullied. Kind of stuck on a rock. Actually, didn't I say pinky? What happened to the Y? Oh, maybe it might be only 4. Where are you going? Wait, there's a bug? Did I find the bug? Mr. Mustache TV, the link that Jesus had just triggered, the submit your game link, you have to use that. Okay, update my stats before continuing. How do I find how many attack points do I have, or how many points? Oh, wait. What if I... What if I wanted to change it? Having like how many points you have here, and then like being able, maybe having like arrow buttons to go up and down if I want to change it would be nice. Oh, is that what it is? Okay. So you have to choose wisely. You can't fall off the map, right? Oh wait, was I supposed to update stuff? Is this round 4? You have 4 rounds of the game, right? Maybe. No, we were only round 5. He's trying to attack me with a rock! say, I'm like, I'm pretty sure I at least won one game. Why did it say that I lost? But I mean, I could have just, like, thought I won? I don't know. I mean, is it still considered a win even if there's enemies still on the battlefield when the timer goes down? Also, slime's up instead of time's up. Oh yeah, it's bugged because I'm playing it, yeah. But yeah, I think like if you made this an online game, like a lot of people would play it with friends. I should tribute? Okay. Your wins and losses will be reset and your new slime will be created with your new stat points. Points? What happened to the eye? Okay, and then I have 12, so then I can, whoa! We can be all spiky and stuff. I mean, do you really need high? Oh, I want to be all spiky. I don't really need speed. Wait, if our speed's 0, does that mean, like... should we just not move? I like the designs. Did I hit continue? Did I break it? Is it a glitch? Oh, so I just noticed these guys in the background. All I did, Mr. Troy, was that I had reset my stat, and then I hit continue, at least. I think I hit continue, and now we're at this screen. Oh, and okay, if you hit escape, it closes out the game. When you attribute things, it gets borked? Yeah, Mountain Slime were in the background. Well, there you go. I found things. I found things for you. His head borked. What, Tess can't be a name? Yes, pink. Oh, you have to select the color, okay. Here, take me out. Where am I? Oh, I mean, our name is Pink and we're not even pink. Oh, am I supposed to? I thought we were trying to offer Slime's tribute to see what happens. Right? Fight. Well, there you go. Blue and pink equals blink, but then that's not it. You can't put 5 letters. It's 4. So there you go. But yeah, so if you guys want to try the game out, there is the link. Make sure that you don't tribute stuff because otherwise this breaks. But you can try the other things to see if you can find any other bugs. Oh, BL and K. What? Why? Because you wanted to see... Oh, to win? Oh, you have to see your win. And if you win, see if it doesn't... Wait, did I get on the leaderboard? I don't think I got on the leaderboard because I didn't win. Because it didn't register my wins. So how am I supposed to show up on the leaderboard? If it was ported to the iPad? I mean, yeah, you know what? It could be a mobile game because all you have to do... You could tap to attack, I guess, and swipe. Oh, it didn't register wins after the first loss, so you have to win first. Peewee. But you guys did good. And exciting. It's exciting to see people that I know like work together. Okay, so did it register your win when you won for the first time? And I think it would be a fun like little multiplayer online game if you guys ever decided to do that. All right. So I guess, wait, did you submit Mr. Troy, or I guess because you didn't have to, because your game was already submitted. I mean, Player Marty, if you want to go and test some games and stream it, you're more than welcome to. I mean, I've been streaming for 9 hours and 30 minutes. So if I wanted